MedTech Momentum Value Proposition, MT7 Framework for Growth. Healthcare organizations are destabilized by the internet and social media revolution. MedTech Momentum specializes in helping medical device companies turn marketing into a profitable revenue engine. Using a unique methodology, the MT7 Framework for Growth. The MT7 Framework is a step-by-step formula that turns marketing into a profitable revenue engine. Here is how it works. Phase 1. Define your ideal customer, buyer persona. Phase 2. Define your message, story brand. Phase 3. Create your brand identity, brand book. Phase 4. Launch your content marketing strategy. Communicate your message to your ideal customer. Phase 5. Create your communication platforms, website, social media, and email marketing platforms. Phase 6. Deploy your inbound marketing strategy. Attract leads with targeted content. Phase 7. Analyze and maximize ROI. Let's look at each one in more detail. Step 1. Define your ideal customer, buyer persona. No marketing strategy should be implemented without first defining who is your ideal customer. A buyer persona is a semi-fictional representation of your ideal customer based on market research and real data about your existing customers. Think of it as your best customer's identity card. Most importantly, your buyer persona will list the problems, pain points that they are facing, allowing you to create content that addresses the buyer persona's problems and provide solutions. Also, sharing the buyer personas with your management and marketing teams will guide product development and allow for alignment across the organization. Step 2. Define your message, story brand. The customer is the hero, not you or your products. We will create your brand script to unify your team around a common message. Your story should not be about saying how great your product is. It should be about building an emotional connection, emotional branding, with your audience, showing your target customer that you understand his problems and that you have a solution to help them survive and strive. The 3 crucial questions you must ask ourselves to build your story are: 1. What does the hero want or need? 2. What is keeping him from getting it? 3. What would his life look like if he gets what he wants? Or if he does not? Step 3. Create your brand identity, brand book. Your brand book is your company's instruction manual detailing all aspects of your brand's assets and personality. It's also referred to as brand standards, style guide, or brand guidelines. The content of your brand book will include your core values, mission statement, tagline, proper uses of the logo, typefaces, color palette, imagery, copywriting instructions, business suite, email signature, PowerPoint templates, and any other elements of your brand that are frozen for a point in time. The purpose of a brand book is to maintain consistency, establish credibility, increase efficiency, and generate a profit. Step 4. Launch your content marketing strategy. Communicate your message to your ideal customer. The goal of your content marketing strategy is to tell your ideal customer, buyer persona, that you understand their problems and have solutions. By doing so, you will build an emotional connection with your target and ideal customer that leads to trust. This is particularly important in the digital era where trust is the most valuable currency as it leads to sales. Your content is what will allow you to take a prospect through the different stages of the sales funnel. Part of having a successful content marketing strategy is to clearly define your marketing objective. Is it website visitors, leads, customers, etc.? The 3 steps to having a sustainable and scalable content marketing strategy are: perform content audit. We will perform an audit of all your marketing assets. We will then store and categorize them. Content title, persona that it is targeting, stage in the funnel, format, etc. We will then decide what content can be used again as is, needs to be updated, and is obsolete. Create a content compass system. We will create a unifying document that organizes the direction of your content creation for the next 3 to 6 months. It prioritizes the content by theme and connects it to a specific month. This is where we decide the content to be created for each campaign to take each buyer personally through the buyer's journey. Monthly publishing editorial calendars. We will create and submit to you monthly for approval an editorial calendar of all the content to be published the following month, categorizing and dividing it into appropriate segments. It will secure advanced planning, sustainability, and scalability. Step 5. Build an interconnected marketing engine: website, social media, and email marketing platforms. Website. All of your online sales and marketing strategy is designed to drive people to your website. Simply said, your site must be great. MedTech Momentum will develop for you a unique and customized site that will not only clearly communicate your brand story, but also be crisp, elegantly designed, and optimized for search engines. Social media. Social media marketing is the ideal way to communicate your story brand via blogs, posts, videos, etc. Keep in mind that your target customers are online right now, spending time on social media platforms, looking for products, services, industry news, clinical data. The list is long. If you do not connect with them to communicate your message and educate them about your technologies, someone else will. Email marketing. Email marketing is the best strategy to nurture your leads and turn them into customers, a crucial part of your marketing strategy. Step 6. Deploy your lead generation strategy. Attract leads with targeted content. Strategically, inbound marketing is the process of establishing a relationship with potential customers before they are ready to make a purchase, nurturing the relationships, and then turning this early awareness into brand preference and ultimately revenues. Tactically, it is part of our content marketing strategy. We will make sure that we produce the right content and distribute it in the right places at the right time to connect with your buyer persona. Inbound marketing is multi-channel by nature because it approaches your audience in the channel where they want to interact with you. Step 7. Analyze and maximize ROI. What gets measured gets managed. We will provide you with analytics that are not just about the web, but about the whole sales and marketing funnel. We systematically evaluate the success of all marketing initiatives by measuring and monitoring performance across all channels and propose corrective action to maximize ROI. Here you have it. Methodically follow the 7 steps of the MT7 framework and start turning marketing into a revenue engine. Any questions? We are here to help.